It is the next morning and I am running so behind on everything today, but it just happened that we had a HOA meeting last night and I had no time to edit the video that's supposed to go up today for members this morning, so it'll just go up at the regular time at 5:30. I'm so sorry for you guys. I try to have it up early in the morning for members, but I failed today. So sorry. But I have had a sort of productive morning. I went to ortho this morning for my knee. He says it feels like it's not maybe a full ACL tear, but they're gonna have an MRI. Well, I'm gonna have an MRI just to make sure that it's not an ACL tear. But I've also been referred to physical therapy for it because it's still a little bit unstable. And we talked about some issues. Maybe it's not the musculature around the knee. Maybe it hasn't healed all the way. So this morning I decided to stop my excuses and actually start my workout routine. I think it's really important. Well, I used to be much more fit, and during the whole pandemic lockdown situation, I just was super sad. I stopped working out, but I'm not fit anymore and I don't feel as good as I used to. And not to mention half of my clothes didn't fit anymore, so I got rid of those. But I think it's really important for my cardiac health, cardiovascular health, not cardiac, cardiovascular health, overall musculature. I have old injuries that only do better if I'm working out. I had arthritis that only does better if I'm working out. So I did a little workout at the park today with Clover, and it sucked. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I hate exercising, but the feeling I get afterward, that is unmatchable. So I'm thinking if I just put 20 minutes in a day of low impact aerobic exercise, and then I'll do the yoga in addition, it's going to help a lot. It's also going to help a lot with my overall vocal health. I was talking about it with Dana yesterday, my teacher, and she says if I do resume working out and improve my overall physical fitness, that it's going to definitely improve the singing as well, because you use all kinds of muscles when you sing. There's the intercostal muscles in between the ribs, and your transverse abdominal muscles. There's a lot of abdominal muscle involvement and back muscle involvement in singing. A lot of people talk about the diaphragm. The diaphragm is an involuntary muscle. You're going to use the diaphragm. You don't have any control over your diaphragm. But when people talk about diaphragmatic breathing, I think they talk more about the viscera, your stomach muscles and all this, the organs in front of this stuff, moving out of the way so that you can fully inflate your lungs. So that is more of an accurate sort of use of diaphragmatic breathing, because that's a misnomer, because diaphragm is involuntary. It contracts when you inhale automatically. You have no control over it. So I don't know why I went off on that anatomy lesson. So today, of course, I need to edit the video, probably do that after lunch. And I might do a couple things around the house. I'm definitely sore from working out today. I can feel it right now. But hopefully it won't be too bad. I'm just gonna keep drinking water and maybe take a little Advil. But I will see you later for some home things. We got my last part of the dishwasher today that I was supposed to receive so that I can change all of the spray arms, and hopefully our dishwasher will run a lot better. I am definitely having this salad again. This was so good yesterday. So I'm gonna reheat the old fake chicken. Hopefully I'll put some moisture in there so that it doesn't, cause it's a little dry, I'm gonna be honest. It's not like chicken, it's just soy and wheat protein, but the texture is nice like chicken. And I'll make my little buffalo salad again. I'm super excited. Ooh, it's hot. That's what this is in there for. Okay, I'm gonna give another amazing review for this silly microwave thing. This is it's from, who makes this? Smart Made? I forget. Anyway, it's a microwave mat. So if you put your bowl of food on, sometimes your bowl of food can get really hot, right? You don't want to take it out because you're gonna burn yourself. This, you can just lift it up, you don't burn yourself. It's the best. And this basically, I just lived in my microwave, so I just put a plate on there, And if it's hot, when I go to touch it, I'm like, oops, get that. I mean, this is the simplest thing, but it's made the biggest impact in my life. I think it's like 10 bucks. Yeah, so highly recommend, highly recommend. Oh no, Progressive makes it. So sorry, Progressive. Very good, get one of these. Here's a piece of the fake chicken up close. Now, it's got sort of it's not chicken, okay? But it's a very good imitation. It's kind of got like a chewy bread texture because it's like wheat and soy. But I mean, I'm impressed. This is very processed, like don't eat this all the time, but it happens to be delicious.
By noticing the breath. And as you're ready, just taking a couple of nice, refreshing inhales and exhales, just on your own. Feel it out. Just take a moment to kind of clear the slate. Put the shoulders down and lift your chest. Imagine you're marionette street.
So I get a bunch of comments and questions about this Choco Cat yoga bag. This yoga bag came from a store in Cambridge, like maybe like 15 years ago. It was like a Hello Kitty store. They sold all kinds of like Hello Kitty merch, and this was a Choco Cat yoga bag, and I have never found anything like it. I mean, let's see, what year is on here? 2005. So this was produced in 1996 and in 2005. So I think I probably bought this in 2005 because in 1996 I was still in college and I wasn't doing yoga. But like this, it's very cute. It's got two little pockets on the side for, you know, whatever. But it's one of my favorite little Hello Kitty things. I wish they'd make more things like this because, I mean, come on, adorable. Choco Cat, we love him. Just did a little yoga with Adrian for, it's yoga for neck and relief, neck and shoulder relief, because I've been very tense in the neck and shoulders, actually ever since the lockdown started last year. So that's been really helpful. Actually, I feel so much better right now. I'm like, woo! I received a PR box from a company called Public Goods a few weeks ago, but I haven't opened it yet. So we're gonna open it today, so yay. Quick shout out to Public Goods for sending me these products to try. They are a brand that delivers essentials across several categories, united by a set of values. They believe that the products you use every day should be healthy, sustainable, and easy to access. They deliver well-designed, eco-friendly essentials directly to you. There's an annual membership of $79, but you can try any Public Goods product for a free 2-week trial membership. They've got all kinds of stuff for you to try, even food, and they deliver the most eco-friendly innovations whenever possible, from sugarcane bottles to tree-free paper and toxin-free ingredients. They carefully select ethical vendors and stick to essentials and never go overboard on choice. You can even get bathroom cleaner, which we're gonna see, and as you can see, the bathroom cleaner is made in Massachusetts. I mean, hello? Yes. So check out Public Goods in the description down below. So before I open this box, I will say that this box was sent to me by the very nice people at Public Goods. So thank you so much for sending me this box of products for me to try, and I'm really excited to report back to you about my progress. So let's see what's in the box. First thing we've got is Sanitizing lavender wipes. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. They smell so good. Can I open these? Okay, there's a little like plastic thing. Ooh, they smell nice. So these are basically just sanitizing alcohol wipes. But if you look at the ingredients, there's nothing really bad in here. It's mainly just like essential oils and water. Wow, and glycerin. But mostly alcohol. That's the sanitizing ingredient in there, and they smell so good. Here's the bathroom cleaner. Do we love this? I really like this packaging. I think it's very sleek. This is the bathroom cleaner. So it's got purified water, lauramate oxide from coconut, a couple other things from coconut, and basically rosemary oil, lemon oil, citric acid. So the citric acid is going to be your antibacterial stuff in here. Can I open it and smell it? I always like to smell everything. I'm really big into smell. Ooh. It smells really good. Got some laundry detergent, got some pods, and we got a candle. We got a candle. We get the cedar and suede candle. I'm super excited about this because like it's fall. Your girl loves a good candle. Cedar and suede. Ooh. Okay, y'all know what I'm gonna say. It smells like a sexy man. It smells like a sexy man. No, it's got like a really cedary kind of scent. It smells really good, and the packaging is lovely. Take a look at that. And last but not least, this is the thing I was most excited for. We got reusable food storage wraps. You guys know I'm big into the food storage. This is a beeswax wrap. So they're fun. So it says how to use. Wraps have a heat-activated cling because they are made from natural beeswax. Please use the heat of your hands to activate them and wrap them around bread, cheese, fruits, nuts, or any snacks you'd like. Keep away from heat because it's beeswax, it's gonna melt. So it's not safe for ovens, microwaves, or dishwashers. How to increase the lifespan of your wraps, wash them in cool water and air dry. Store in a dark place, dark place. We recommend to store them in your refrigerator. Interesting. The wraps are made from 100% natural materials. They usually maintain their stickiness for about a year before degrading. Handle with care for prolonged use. Okay, cool. Let's see what they look like on the inside. I just want to show you how big it is. Okay, so we've got, I didn't do that right. We've got one large one, which I'm assuming is like, oh yeah, it's this big. I don't want to unwrap it all the way right now. And then we've got, this is the medium sized one, which is double the size of, I'm not going to unwrap it all completely. Then we've got one small one. So the main thing I mostly want to use this for is produce I cut, because sometimes it doesn't fit in the little food storage, little silicone things. So these are the next best thing, or actually cheese. These are really great for cheese. So I'm excited to try these beeswax food storage things. These are so cool. I guess I'm gonna store them in the fridge. I wonder if I should keep the paper or not. Anyway, that's my public goods haul, and I will be back next week to let you know how everything worked out. So thank you so much to Public Goods for sending me the stuff. Clover came in while I was doing yoga, and he just decided that he was tired. Has your day been rough, Mr. Man? He loves sleeping in this little bed here. It's like his favorite place in my office. He sleeps there, and sometimes if he gets tired of it, he'll move to the other side of the room on the floor. And if it gets too cozy or something, or he loves sleeping up here. That's like his favorite too. But look at this gentleman. You're so cute. Tonight I'm going to be on a podcast. It's going to be like a videotaped podcast, so I am going to just relax a little bit. Maybe I'm going to put together some of the design plans from Tuesday and just R&R a little bit until the interview. Maybe practice a little German, but I will see you a little bit later. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I don't know if this is like short or long. Every time I say that to myself, the vlog ends up being longer than I think. I really want to make pumpkin muffins. So we'll see how it goes. I have a can of pumpkin that is going to expire like next month. Well, not expire, but it's best before November 2021. So I'm like, well, obviously I need to make pumpkin muffins. And the pumpkin is literally for Clover. Like I don't buy pumpkin on the regular, but like I had a can of pumpkin in there, and I think I'd like to use it for pumpkin muffins. That'd be a good like morning. Well, I mean, it's not the healthiest, but who cares? Okay. I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. I'll see you tomorrow for some maybe office organizing fun. I don't know. All right.